Most people lose the day before it even starts. Not because they're lazy, but because their morning habits quietly kill their discipline. You think your routine makes you productive, but some of it is destroying your focus, your mindset, and your drive. Habit number one, hitting snooze. You think 5 more minutes doesn't matter, but it teaches your brain to break promises the moment you wake up. Habit number two, checking your phone first thing. Before your mind even wakes up, you flood it with other people's lives. You start reacting instead of creating. Habit number three, skipping movement or cold exposure. You avoid discomfort early, and that sets the tone for the whole day. Comfort over challenge. Habit number four, endless scrolling during breakfast. You numb your thoughts before the day begins. Focus dies before it even gets a chance to breathe. Habit number five, over-planning instead of doing. You convince yourself that planning equals progress, but real discipline lives in action, not perfection. Habit number six is drinking caffeine before water. It gives a quick boost but crashes your focus. Discipline isn't about feeling ready, it's about acting anyway. Habit number seven, complaining about sleep or work. The more you say I'm tired, the more your brain believes it. Energy follows language. Habit number eight, leaving your bed unmade. Small mess is small mind. You start the day with unfinished business. Habit number nine, skipping reflection or gratitude. Without purpose, your discipline feels empty. You need direction, not just effort. Habit number 10, waking up without intention. If you don't control the first hour, the world will control the rest. Your morning decides your mindset, and your mindset decides your life. Discipline doesn't die in one big moment. It fades quietly every time you choose comfort over control. Fix your mornings, rebuild your edge. Discipline is built before sunrise.